So this is the 42-inch power shutter that we have. So we have this set up on a 2-stage thermostat. So once it hits the desired temperature, this will actually open before the exhaust fan kicks on the other end to go ahead and release some of that hot air from within the greenhouse. So let's go on in and a little look at the flow fans now. So the next part of our ventilation kit that we've added here are 12-inch variable speed flow fans. So we have 2 flow fans mounted on this side of the greenhouse that are both pointed east, and they're gonna be blowing this way. And then I have 2 other fans mounted on this side of the greenhouse that are both aimed back west. So the reason you'd want to have this is it's creating a circular motion with the air inside of the greenhouse. In the wintertime when you're trying to heat it, it's really going to help keep that air moved around so we have an even temperature throughout the house. And then also in the spring and summer when it starts to heat up, it's really going to help evacuate that heat out of the house a lot quicker than if you didn't have them. So on this wall, we have our 36-inch slant wall galvanized steel exhaust fan. So this is going to be tied in sync with the 42-inch shutter on the opposite end of the house. They're both going to be wired into a 2-stage thermostat to really keep the temperature moderated inside of the house. So not only is it controlling the climate inside, it's also controlling the humidity inside. This is really going to play a big factor in making disease a non-issue as you start growing. So one other tool that we have to help control the climate inside of the greenhouse is our shade cloth. So we offer this in various different colors and various different percentages depending on what you're going to be growing. We're going to have the shade cloth that's going to best suit your needs. We also offer this for custom sizes. So if you would like to use something like this for like a pergola or a back deck, we can hook you up with that.
The shade cloth installation is very similar to the main piece of poly. We're going to tie a rope through the grommets and then attach a water bottle or something heavy to toss the rope to the other side of the greenhouse. Then we'll gently pull the shade cloth over the peak of the bow, centering it on the greenhouse, and then attaching it using wiggle wire on the first and the last bow, and then wiggle wiring it into the wire lock channel running along the headboard.